beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have this lovely little snowman here from the upcoming Festive Friends set, and I wanted to go ahead and show you how this one little snowman can have multiple friends. So if you don't know how to mask yet, watch this video. If you do, stick around, we'll just have a good time chit-chatting, but give me some of your tips if you have masked before on what you think your best idea is. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take our first stamp and we're going to just stamp that right onto like a sticky note. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to stick that off to the side for just a moment. We're going to ink him back up, and I'm just using Memento black ink because after we're done stamping we're going to want to color him. So I'm going to stick that right there, and there we've got our first little snowman, but he would like some friends. So we're going to take this, we're going to cut right on those edges. I do have a die for it, and you could leave his arms because we're going to have him be in the front and his arms will be behind. I mean, his friends will be behind him, so we still want to see his arms. And again, you just want to cut right along those lines. It can be closer, but you don't want it to go inside the lines. This is the fussy cut part of it. So, like I said, there are dies, but the dies give a little bit of a border, and at this point when you're doing a masking, you don't want that. So I'm going to cut this just to get it out of the way, and then we'll continue on. And you do, when you're using like sticky paper, or you could use masking paper, would really work good. There's actually paper that is for masking, so you can grab some of that. But when it's something quick and easy like this, I typically just use a Post-it note. We're almost done here, and I like to have a little bit of the sticky so it'll stick to our page. And then I have put my fingers before I let it dry, but you'd probably want to not do that. And you're just going to stick that right over the top there. Now we're going to get this guy out again. And we'll put his other friend right here, behind him a little bit, just like that. Oh, I got a halo. When you are doing this, you're not going to want to be putting little halos everywhere. And then we'll put this friend right here. So just did that quickly. And then when you remove that, there he is with his little friends. And now you can color him in and give him different hats and everything, give them their own personalities. So I hope you like this. Stay tuned. I will make a card with this, and I will show you what I do when you make errors like that. Quick and easy. Probably what we'll do is we will cut it out just like we would just fussy cut that out. So, all right, beauties, stay tuned for a finished card, and I will talk to you later. Bye!
You like watching me